Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, Santa has a different type of gift. Not only are we giving gifts in this festive season, we're also giving knowledge. Today, the knowledge is going to be how to fit a roller shutter onto this beautiful Ford Ranger we've got here. That's a Raptor. We've got this black Raptor. You're going to follow along. You're going to see everything we do to fit this up. You'll see me at the end as well. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Let's get some knowledge and some gifts.
We're on cloud nine. We live the night and rivers high.
just like that, we are back. This is a roller shutter.
Thanks, Captain Obvious.
Oz Canopies roller shutter Santa has delivered us today. We've got button operation here, show over there. So we're going to be pressing the open button and voila, it opens up. Right, this one's aluminium slatted. We're going to be having 150 kilo load rating on that one. We've got 4 drainage hoses, interior light, all the goodies Santa has delivered. Santa not only delivers roller shutters, he delivers safety. You know, your kids in here grabbing up their Christmas presents and oh no, looks like they're not going to get hurt today. That's beautiful. That's how we like to keep it. We like to keep it safe. If you guys like what you see here or you enjoyed the video at all, give us a like, give us a comment. If you want something like this, a roller shutter that's not going to let you down, give you 2 years warranty, black aluminium slatted on your Ford Raptor or any other vehicle you want it on, just give us a call. It's going to be 02 962 78666 as on our sign. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Have a lovely New Year's and a great Christmas. Peace out, homies and homettes.